Okay, now children, in this question that we discussed just now, it is very important to mark this, to write this sentence by uniqueness of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Because this uniqueness of fundamental theorem of arithmetic only guarantees that this number has only these factors. So if this question comes for 2 marks, 1 mark is for uniqueness of fundamental theorem of writing this. So all these are very important to write. The solution has to be word to word like similar. Now next, explain why this is a composite number. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, we need to explain why this is a composite number. If I take, see, there are 2 terms. One is this and the other is 13. Now I can see 13 is common in both the terms. So we taken 13 common. 13 into 7 into 11 into 1 plus 1. So that gives me 13 into 78. Now 78 also can be further resolved into prime factors. That is 13 into 2 into 39 are the prime factors of this. So the given number has factors 13, 2, 39 other than 1 and the number itself. Therefore, it's a composite number. Right? Because composite numbers have factors other than 1 and the number itself, and we got here 13, 2 and 39 are the factors other than 1 and the number itself. So it's a composite number. Next question, 7th question of your NCERT book, exercise 1.2. It says Sonia takes 18 minutes to go around a circular field and Ravi takes 12 minutes to go around the same. They both start at the same time from the same point in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again? So after how many minutes will they meet again? Obviously they will meet after 18 and 12. So that means they will meet after 18 minutes, right? 12 and 18 means 18 is bigger, they will meet after 18. That means we are looking for a number which is bigger than 12 and 18. So we are looking for a multiple of 18 and 12. So that means we need to find LCM in this question. So LCM of 18 and 12 we need to find. 18 prime factorization is 2 into 3 square and 12 the prime factorization is 2 square into 3. So LCM will be, write down all the prime factors. 2 and 3 are the only prime factors, so we written both. Now 2 highest power is 2 and 3 also the highest power is 2. So 2 square into 3 square, 4 into 9, 36 is the LCM. So answer is after 36 minutes now Sonia and Ravi will meet again at the starting point. So word problems, you need to write the answer statement always. Now let us take another question. Find HCF of PQ square and P raised to power 3Q. These are the 2 numbers whose HCF we need to find. HCF, you know, common factor is P and Q. Both are there in both the terms. So P smallest power is 1. Q smallest power is 1, so HCF is PQ. And suppose if we wish to find LCM also of the same question, LCM highest power of P is 3 and of Q is 2, so LCM will be P raised to power 3 into Q raised to power 2. Now another type of question that comes usually in 1 mark or the objective questions is the factor tree question. Value of x in the factor tree. We need to find here the value of x in the factor tree. For that we need to go it backwards. We need to go backwards. 2 into 3 is 6, so written 6 here. 6 into 5 is 30, so written 30 here. And 30 into 5 is 150, so I am writing 150 here. So x comes out to be 150. Here these were blank. These columns were blank in the question. These were blank. So we started backward. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 5, 30. 30 into 5, 150. So x is 150 is the answer. So children, we have discussed fundamental theorem of arithmetic and we done the second exercise also complete. All the questions I have taken into and some extra questions also with this we have discussed. So hope you must have understood. That's all for the day. Thank you.